You welcome to Flip TV. I am Matilda Omenai. Ondo police uncover baby factory and human trafficking syndicate. The Ondo State Police Command has made a significant breakthrough in combating human trafficking, uncovering a suspected baby factory operating in Ore Odigbo local government area. The case has been transferred to the command's gender-based violence unit for an in-depth investigation. The alarming situation came to light on October 21st when a 17-year-old girl, Vivian Peter from Ikot, Ekpan, Akwa Ibom State, reported being trafficked to Ore under the false pretense of job placement. Upon arrival, she was taken to a facility that masqueraded as a clinic but turned out to be a baby factory housing several other pregnant girls. Spokesperson of the State Police Command, Anyolade Olushola, said the facility owner, identified as Ada Clement, has intended to transport some of pregnant women. He said police officers from the gender unit executed a raid on the facility, rescuing 5 pregnant girls and a baby boy. According to him, one of the victims had already given birth and is currently receiving postnatal care at a general hospital in Ore. He said the State Commissioner of Police Adebowale Lawal has directed a thorough investigation to apprehend all individuals involved in the trafficking network. He added that efforts are underway to locate other fleeing members of the syndicate. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us. I am Matilda Omenai.